How to edit labels. Now, you can mess with a lot of your labels over on the left-hand column just by clicking on the little drop down. You can change the label color, you can show them and hide them, you can edit them here, which will take you to the settings screen. You can remove the label and you can add a sub-label. So it's really easy for you to go ahead and click edit, and you can go ahead and edit the name of the label from there. But you really need to know about the settings. So over here on the upper right hand column, you'll see the gear icon, and you're going to click on the gear icon and go down to settings. And when settings pops up, you want to go ahead and click on the labels tab, and now you'll see all of your labels. You have the basic labels, which are system labels that come with Gmail, and then the basic category labels that come as well. And all of the labels that we've created are down here under labels. So if you haven't created any labels yet, when you've made a filter or anything like that, then this will be blank and it'll only say create new label. So from here, you could start off by creating all of your labels at one time instead of as you go, or do them as you go. But this is the way that you would go ahead and edit them. So I can hit create, the same box pops up where I would enter the name if I want to nest it under something, and that's it, and you create it. This, however, does not set up any filters. So all you're doing is creating a new label and naming it. And this is where you can come back and edit your labels if you need to. So we just created this Jenny label and filter from another video that you hopefully just listened to, and you click on edit and it can edit the name. But if you're looking to actually edit the filter that you just created, you need to come up and click on filters and blocked addresses. So we can see that there is this list of filters. Most of them we just created in the past few videos that you'll be able to see. And right here is, well, here's the Jenny one that I created right here. You'll see that. And I can click on it and hit edit, and then I see it's anything from Jenny She, and that it applies the label clients Jenny. So say I want to go ahead and I want to say mark it as read and star it. All I have to do is click on those options and hit the check mark to match all the conversations and update the filter. And it has gone ahead and updated it, and I can go back to Jenny and you'll see they're all starred and they all have been marked as read. And that's very easy to go in and edit those. However, just to let you know, the more filters and labels you add, the harder it is to find them in this list of settings. So just keep that in mind. The more you add, the more you will have. It'll grow longer and longer and longer. But it is the best tool to help you train your inbox, or actually it is the tool that trains your inbox, is creating those filters. So that's hopefully answered all of your questions about labels and filters, and the next video will be on how to change your categories.